Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to view who you follow on Gmail. If you've ever wondered how to keep track of your contacts or simply want to manage your connections better, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, launch the Gmail app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, look for the 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner. This is the menu icon, and tapping on it will reveal a list of options. Next, scroll down until you find Contacts. Selecting this option will open the Google Contacts app if it's already installed on your device. If you don't have it installed yet, you may need to download it from the Google Play Store to proceed. Finally, once you're in the Google Contacts app, you can view all your saved contacts. This platform allows you to manage them easily, whether you want to add, edit, or delete contacts. And that's it. You've now learned how to view who you follow on Gmail. Managing your contacts is a breeze, so take advantage of these steps to ensure you stay connected. Happy managing!